Here, H.C. Verma Solutions, chapter number 3, Rest and Motion, Kinematics, question number 47. A swimmer wishes to cross a 500 meters wide river flowing at 5 km per hour. His speed with respect to water is 3 km per hour. A. If he heads in a direction making an angle theta with the flow, find the time he takes to cross the river. B. Find the shortest possible time to cross the river. In this question, what is given here? A man or a person who is swimming inside the water with a speed of 3 km per hour and the river which is flowing at 5 km per hour in this direction. And swimmer makes an angle theta with the direction of river flow. He is traveling with a speed of 3 km per hour. And the distance between the two banks, that is 500 meters, convert into kilometers, 0.5 kilometers. So here given velocity of man with respect to water, that is river, is equal to 3 km per hour, and velocity of river, that is VR, equal to 5 km per hour. And here time taken by the boat to cross the river if he heads by making an angle theta with the flow. So here we want to calculate the time. So here we know that time is equal to distance by speed. So here, what is the time here? T is equal to, what is the distance it is traveled? So the distance is how much here? 0.5 kilometers. So here 0.5 kilometer divided by speed. How much amount of speed it is traveling here? That is in this direction. That is V M R sine theta. So that means perpendicularly it is traveling. It make an angle theta means in this particular direction it has to travel this much amount of speed. So here what happens? Here 0.5 kilometer divided by velocity of man with respect to river. How much here? 3. That is 3 km per hour into sine theta. So here kilometer cancel. So how is equal to 0.5. Here kilometer gets cancelled, divided by 3 sine theta hours. So here 5 divided by 3 sine theta. Hours convert into minutes means what is that here? Into 60. 0.55 no, here 10. This is minutes. 0 cancel. Here 30 divided by 3 sine theta minutes is equal to what happens here? 10 divided by sine theta minutes. So it is the time taken by boat to cross the river if he heads making an angle theta with the flow. Now here which one we want to calculate? That is shortest possible time to cross the river. Shortest possible time is nothing but time is equal to, we know the formula, distance divided by speed. So here distance, what is the distance here? That is particularly 0.5 kilometers divided by what is the speed here? Again this speed only, that is Vm or sine theta. To get the shortest possible time here, the theta is equal to 90 degrees. So that means what happens here? 0.5 kilometers divided by 3 kilometers into sine 90 degrees. Here 3 km per hour. So here this one kilometer gets cancelled. 5 divided by 3 sine 90 degrees into 1 divided by 10 hours. But I want to convert into minutes. So that's why 5 by 3 sine 90 is 1 into hours convert into minutes means 60 by 10. 0 cancel. So here 5 6 are 30 divided by here this one here minutes. 30 by 3 here minutes is equal to 10 minutes. This is the solution for question number 47.